What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Welcome back to STEF ABTV. If you couldn't tell, I'm very tired. I'm sat in my car. I have my Belvita bar, but today's going to be a good day because we've been invited down by Abarth UK to go and spend the day at Abarth Day 2018. So yeah, let's go ahead and enjoy this day over at Rockingham race circuit thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where we are. So we're going to go over there, enjoy the day, go and see some cool Abarth cars, meet up with some friends, and yeah, I'm bringing you along to join the day with me. Right, we have arrived at Rockingham. As you can see, all the Abarth cars are over there. There's Connor over there. I picked him up this morning. He's been doing his videoing this morning for me, and probably will help throughout the rest of the day. But yeah, we're here now. Met up with Steph as well, so make sure you go and check his channel out. He'll feature later on in the video at some point. But yeah, let's get started. We're here now, in like the main central bit of Rockingham. Comes over here. There's loads of fucking Abarth cars around here and stuff. We're going to go and drive some cool cars. I think and go and register our interest for it. And yeah, just enjoy the day. And there's loads of people drifting over here, as you can probably hear. Having fun in the 124 Spider. We're about to go and do that, so that'll be fun. And there's, I believe, that's not the GT, that looks nice. But yeah, there's loads of cool stuff for us to do today, so we're just going to enjoy it while we're here. I don't know how long we're going to stay for. But this guy looks like he's having a whale of a time, so I'm going to go and show you this. Right, let's get a first reaction. Look at this geezer. Legend. Oh, he's kept it. He's kept it this time.
Revs up. Tell me when you get to 60.
There we go, 60.
Good man. Keep off the brake. Keep off the brake. Keep going. Stay in third. Stay in third. Stay in third. On your brakes now, to your left. Keep on brake. Keep on brake. Off brake. Flick right. Flick left. Round we go. Over to there. Ready. And whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, do a really hard stop. Go. There you go. Thank you.
Good. Not bad.
Just saved that little old lady coming across the zebra crossing.
Yeah, we did.
Follow it round. Keep in third. Fourth gear now. Going between these two tyres. We're going to do a slalom. So at this point now, come on the brakes to third gear. Third gear. Stay in third. Keep on brake. Clutch out. Brake, 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 brake. Off brake. Flick right. Flick right, flick left, back over, power up, and over to the pit lane.
Awesome. Right, so we've literally just been test driving the 124 Spider. I've driven one before, but that's Connor's first time. Impressions?
Yeah, it's nice, quite fast, handles well.
Yeah, it does. It's very, very light, and obviously because it's rear-wheel drive, it helps massively. There's loads of people doing drifting at the moment, but yeah, the drive was good, and I'm looking forward to kind of getting in some other cars and getting in that drifting. GTR last time, and this time you're taking out the 124 Spider. She's got to do some mad skids, as sideways signal say. Let's go. Oh dear, oh that's my hat. Oh my hat is there. Oh I lost my hat. Oh dear. That's not a cheap one either. I better take it off now. There we go. Let's resume. Oh dear. The concentration is unreal. Smashing the camera up a bit. That's what we like. Well, thank you very much.
No worries at all, man.
Catch you in a bit. Right, well.
160 brake to E64.
Exactly. Right, well, thanks to Elliot, who I will link below to his YouTube channel as well and Instagram. He took us out in the 124. But yeah, well, that was fun, even though my hat flew off in the video. So that'll be really amusing. What did you think? It was good.
It's not enough power, is it?
Yeah, it's not enough power for like, well, there is enough power, but it's one of them weird ones where it's like, you think what it'd be like in like a C63 AMG or something like that. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. We're going to go and drive some other stuff, I think, and go and have a look around. What do you think to our just today? We look absolutely gorgeous, man. We're literally about to go out on the hot laps with the Abarth instructors, and Connor just looks like an absolute mate, I feel like yeah, no, I feel like one of them, what's its face?
Melon?
Things that, no, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Oompa Loompas, yeah, that's what I feel like. Here's STEF ABTV's car. And there's Steph.
Hey, how's it going?
How was your meet and greet, my friend?
It was really, really good.
Let's get a camera.
I'm so pleased. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to get.
That's right, no worry, no worry.
Headache with your exposure. Exposure's dead.
No, man. It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it was really, really good. I wasn't expecting that many people to come in, if I'm honest with you. I was actually really surprised.
Because we were standing there talking and people just started coming over, and then it just started more people coming over.
Yeah, it was mad.
It was really good, and like it's nice to see that people are actually interested in the car as well.
Yeah, and that's cool. And I've always said it. I think even for you, for anyone, your YouTube's great if people support your channel and watch what you do. Otherwise, what's the point? So it was really good. Really good. Really. Thank you to all of the people who came. That sounds wicked, doesn't it? 124 GT. Sounds enough.
And the thing is, if you guys, this is my first time down at like a Abarth day. If you guys have never seen like Abarth cars before, you probably have on the road. But if you want some decent videos, Steph's the guy to come to. He's like a Abarth king right here. But he's also got some cool other videos of supercars, BMW and Audi.
Yeah. BMW decided to get BMW up there. But no, it's been good. How are you finding the day?
Yeah, it's good, man. It's good.
Yeah?
It's just tiring, isn't it? Going around all the stuff. We've done the hot lap. We've done the drifting thing. What else have we done? Took out 124 Spider, and then Connor took it out as well, which is over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been a good day. But yeah, the meet and greet and the exposure's just going crazy.
You turn this way. Turn around this way.
Into the light. Into the light. There we
Just
go.
keep turning until. There you go.
There you go. But yeah, literally, I think we're going to head off soon. We've done our activities.
Yeah.
What time are you saying to?
I'm not going until I've eaten a stone-baked Italian pizza, which I'm going to do in a moment.
Yes.
I've done all my work now. So.
Make sure you check out his video as well, because it's going to be sick.
Yeah, thank you.
They done some stunt show and he got some GoPro footage. So
yeah,
for that.
It was wicked. We enjoyed it.
And then other than that, we'll catch you soon.
My hair. Yeah.
I'm running around like a mad
headless
headless chicken, like running up and down.
Yeah, I know. Go get the football. Go get the football. Football. That's why you're leaving.
That's
why you're leaving now.
Yeah, we're leaving to go and work up on it.
Cool. All right, buddy. Nice to see you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Yes. See you later. Connor, what have you thought of the day today?
Yeah,
Good.
Bad.
It's been bad.
That was nice.
Yeah, yeah, it's very, very warm. And this is like Connor's first time with Abarth. I've driven one at SMMT, which you've probably been able to see in one of my other videos. It's doing alright to be fair. But yeah, Steph's probably the best person to go and speak to about Abarth and go and watch his videos. It's really, really good. But yeah, they're just doing drifting over there now. But yeah, it's been a good day. But I think we're going to drive a 595 competition or whatever it is soon. And then we're going to head off because the football's going to start. But yeah, we'll catch you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.